Hi, I'm Jim with Whole Log Reclaim to watch a short video with you. It demonstrates the ease of an engineered box beam install. The first step is to determine the location of the beam. Then mark this with a chalk line to keep appropriately sized framing member or members straight. Fasten to the ceiling. Measure each side and cut to length. Install the first side with finish nails or trim screws. Install the opposing side in the same manner. Measure and cut the bottom pieces with 2 miters. Apply glue to both miter joints and secure with fasteners along each edge.
Flush.
Some of our clients have taken the added step to install a 2x2 in the bottom corners. This helps everything go together easier and gives a wider nailing surface. Hopefully this helps you get familiar with how easy it is to create a timber frame look and feel using our engineered beam wraps. As you can see in this final shot, it's a beautiful feeling and it's relatively easy to execute.